loves, welcome back, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be using this black tea rinse on my hair today. Okay, did you know the benefits that a black tea rinse can do for your hair? I mean, like the great benefits a black tea rinse can do for your hair. Okay, loves, so you have tuned in the right time because your girl is gonna break it down for you. Okay, also please don't forget to subscribe. Okay, love, so I have steeped 2 cups of water and I've used 6 packets of this organic black tea. Okay, and the reason why I'm using this black tea, guys, is because I was experiencing a lot of breakage in my hair, right? So it's like every time I wash my hair or comb through my hair, I just get so much shedded. Okay, and I was not happy because we all need full healthy hair, right? So upon finding out the great benefits of what a black tea rinse can do to my hair, of course I took advantage. So I'm here to share these steps that I did with this black tea rinse, and of course the wonders that it has done to my hair. Okay, guys, so let's listen in. Okay, love, so black tea, it has so much great benefits. Okay, and also another great benefit about black tea rinse is it helps to promote hair growth. Okay, because the tea has such a high antioxidant and caffeine content, it's also believed to support a healthy scalp and hair. Okay, so remember that word, the caffeine. The caffeine in the black tea rinse is what promotes to your scalp being healthy and for your hair to be extremely healthy, full, and bouncy. Because remember, hair growth, healthy hair starts with the scalp. Okay. So what I'm doing, guys, I am spraying this tea directly to the scalp, because as you heard what I said earlier, that if you have a healthy scalp, you'll have a healthy hair journey. Okay, so you see I'm parting with my fingers and focusing mainly on my scalp. Okay, because remember, if you have a healthy scalp, you'll have a healthy hair journey. Okay, so don't forget that. Don't just spray it on your hair, because you're not gonna do much of any good doing that. Okay, so make sure that you're hitting your scalp, massage that tea in, because you want the full extent. Okay, look at all that new growth, guys. Look at that new growth. I am like 4 months. I haven't relaxed my hair in 4 months, guys, because of a protective style. But look at that. Okay, love, so after my black tea rinse application, okay, hair is fully saturated, right? So I put on my steam cap and I let that black tea rinse stay on my head for 45 minutes, and that's without going under a dryer. Okay, hi, lovelies. Hi, lovelies. While I have the black tea rinse in my hair, I'm preparing dinner. Well, Ethan and I are preparing dinner. He loves to prepare dinner with mom. So on today's menu is fried rice and baked chicken with a little pineapple chicken on the side. All right. Of course, you guys are gonna get my honest review about, this whole black tea treatment and everything. So yeah, but this is a chicken, all right, just in case you don't want to see, that's a chicken right there. So I'm gonna show you what that look like once I'm done cutting up, prepping the seasoning to put in the chicken. All right, and then we're gonna get back to the hair. Good job, Ethan. So he's stripping the garlics for me. That's his job, right? So I'm going to get back. I'm going to season the chicken, wash my hands and get back to my hair. And yes, okay. Okay, love, so I'm just showing you the additional products that I'm going to be using along with the black tea rinse. Okay, so this is just the extra TLC moment which I'm giving my hair because, like I said, I haven't relaxed my hair in 4 months. Okay, and if you're relaxed, you know the stress and struggle you have to go through in tackling those new growth. All right. Okay, love, so if you're wondering how often should I use a tea rinse, a black tea rinse on my hair, but guess what, guys, you can use a black tea rinse as often as you like. Okay, but there's always a but, right? It is recommended that you do not use them more than once a week, okay? Because too much of it can cause your hair to become very dry and brittle. Okay, so please make sure that it's only once a week. All right? Okay. Hold on, wait. What's going on right here? What am I bobbing to? Am I really dancing to nursery rhyme? Mama called the doctor. The doctor said, "Hey, no more monkeys jumping on the bed." Okay, love. So now that playtime is done, okay, so now we are back to our hair. All right, let's get back to business. So that's my protein treatment that I'm showing you, in which I mixed with coconut oil and also the cholesterol pudding that I'm putting in my hair, because like I said, I am 4 months. I was 4 months due for a relaxer. All right, so I haven't done my hair in 4 months, relaxed my hair in 4 months. So now I'm just giving it a extra TLC, which is always good. All right, so let's now jump back into the benefits of a black tea rinse. And the purpose for me having doing this black tea rinse, as I said, is because I was getting excessive hair shedding, right? So we know that the black tea reduces shedding, right? So if you're facing excessive hair shedding like I was, right, then a black tea rinse is great for you. It's exactly what you're looking for. Because remember what I said, the caffeine that is contained in the black tea, it blocks the the DHT, right? That causes hair loss. All right. So if you're experiencing like postpartum hair shedding, or you have a lot more shedding than what you are, usually used to, this will be really worth your while. All right, so try it out. Try the black tea rinse, guys, because I'm gonna let you know at the end of the video how, if it worked for me or if it did not work for me, right? Okay, love, so just in case someone is saying, but Miss Kimmy K, I'm looking for something that's gonna help me with my hair growth journey. All right, so the black tea rinse is it is one of your best options, okay? Because remember, it has different type of benefits, and also hair growth is also one of them, okay? Because the black tea stimulates your scalp and increases the blood flow. Okay, so it's encouraged for you to massage your scalp when you apply the black tea rinse to your scalp, because this encourages hair growth. All right, and then we're gonna throw something, the black tea throw something else in there. It also adds shine to your hair, which is so fantastic. Hey. Okay, loves, this concludes my video for the day. But before I go, I'm here to tell you that this black tea rinse was great, guys. It definitely reduced the shedding that I usually get during my wash day, and I am so happy that I tried it, and it will definitely be a part of my hair care, my wash day routine. And guys, why not try it? Try it out, loves.
Much more manageable. So soft. Look at the bounce back. Yeah, alright?